Welcome back to another New York afternoon session. Looking at the volume profile for the current session, we can see that it's well above the yesterday's volume profile for the New York session. So in terms of our trading today, we would prefer to be trading off these previous week levels, but all of those at the moment are nearly 100 points away from where we are. So we're sitting right at POC in the current session, and we've made a new all-time high overnight at around 27,916. So today we will not be trading the usual accounts, which is the PA account and Express account for two funded accounts, Top Step and Apex. We're just going to trade one Apex Eval, trying to get 5 to 10 points, 12 to 15 even better.
That sounds like a smart plan. By focusing on the evaluation account, you're controlling your risk. With key levels far away, staying patient and aiming for that smaller manageable target makes sense. Let's see how the session unfolds and if price gives you a clean move.
So let's just set up our trading view chart now, and then we'll log into the Apex account.
Sounds good. Take your time getting everything ready. Once you're set up, just let me know if you need any input as price action unfolds.
Oops. So interestingly, the setups or the volume profile, not the volume profile, but the overall shape of what's happened is similar to yesterday, and that we pushed up, made a new all-time high. This is when we started trading yesterday around here, and eventually price found some support in this high volume node, pushed up, made a new all-time high before coming down, going sideways in the Asia session. Then we pushed up above during the New York session and made another new all-time high, and we're in a similar position now. So we're sitting towards the top of this volume profile, although we haven't actually, we're about to hit the value area high for this current session now. Let's just make sure that this is extended right. So we will wait and see. Entry is usually around the 2:30 p.m. Chicago time, or I wait for 2:50 p.m. Hopefully I can stay patient enough to stick to my plan and trade around those two times.
Patience is definitely key. If 2:30 or 2:50 p.m. is your ideal window, waiting for those timing alignments will help you act with more clarity. Once that moment arrives, you'll be ready to execute your plan calmly. Let's see what unfolds.
So if we have a look at the shape of this volume profile, this is a D-shaped volume profile. We haven't got much volume at the top of the volume profile, nor do we have that much at the bottom really. So we will see if that shape does what it would normally do, and then suggest we fade the edges. For example, here, fade, 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 fade.
Exactly. With that D-shaped profile, it's often a balanced market, and fading the edges can be a go-to strategy. So, if price approaches the value area high or low, you'll be ready to assess whether it's offering that typical mean reversion opportunity. Just let it come to you rather than chase it.
Sitting right at value area high now.
If you're right at the value area high, this could be that moment to watch for a reaction. If it shows rejection, you've probably got your potential fade scenario. But if it breaks out and accepts above, you'll be cautious. Just let the price tell you. You've got your plan. Trust it.
Okay, so we faded that value area high, and it was right on the 7:30 time.
Nicely done. You followed your plan, identified the level, and executed the fade. It's always satisfying when it lines up with both the time and structure. Keep that discipline going.
Okay, so close to 200 there. That'll do for the end of the week. Great to get that 2:30 p.m. Chicago time entry, which is the one that I always wait for. We're sitting right on POC now, so I'm happy to call it a day and make that one of the quickest trading sessions I've ever taken. Good way to end out the week. Account sitting at 51,063, and I think we started this earlier this week. So we're just going for these quick wins, base hits, $200 to $400, and then we're out trying to pass this one, obviously in the 30-day window that we have. To me for the day. So weekend coming up now. So have a good weekend. I'll catch you in the next one.